Do you want to start a money-making YouTube channel but need to know popular niches? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll share 10 new viral cash cow YouTube channel ideas you can implement in 2023 and start earning money passively. We will show you the working pattern and statistics of various example channels in these niches, so watch until the end to ensure you get everything important. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what content you want to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 10, cars. This is one of the most profitable YouTube niches due to its top advertisers and highly targeted leads who are interested in cars. YouTube has a sizable audience for car repair and testing videos. As a result, if you have a thorough understanding of automobiles, you can create different content on the subject. In addition to the voiceover, you can use stock footage to create the videos. To be successful in this niche, you must first determine what interests your target audience. They want to learn about the characteristics of various car models. They want you to help them make sound decisions. It would be beneficial if you discuss various vehicles and the situations in which they are appropriate. Car dealers can meet with you to endorse them as a reliable source for customers looking to purchase a vehicle. And of course, there will be a fee because you are promoting them, yet another source of income. Top Cars TV is an example of a channel in this niche. This channel was launched on July 27, 2017 and has nearly 200,000 subscribers. They make videos that educate people about various types of cars. This channel has received over 1 million views in the last 30 days. This channel could have made between $10,000 and $20,000 based on the average CPM of $10 and $20. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. The next niche on the list is Number 9, website plugins. You can start a channel about website plugins because they are simple and informative content to create videos about. Made Our Shake is an example channel in this niche. This channel has nearly 300,000 subscribers and only uploads content on WordPress plugins, e-commerce software, and other topics. You can completely replicate this niche because you can see this channel's potential and view ratio. How to create a free e-commerce website with WordPress. Online Store 2020 is a popular example video on this channel. This video was uploaded 3 years ago, is nearly 3 hours long, and has received over 1.5 million views. When you watch this video, you'll notice that no one is showing their face. All we see is a screen recording with someone explaining what's on it. If you want to start a channel like this but need to learn about the niche, here's what you can do. Hire cash cow managers. They'll develop a video idea, write a script, record voiceovers, and edit the content for you. You only need to keep track of the Trello progress. You can also do everything independently, the most important part being the video idea, which you can get by asking people on Quora. The next niche in the list is Number 8, animals. Cute animal videos have been extremely popular on YouTube since their inception in the mid-2000s. This is one of the most popular and evergreen cash cow channels. As a result, they are still present today and provide a fantastic way to make money through a cash cow channel. Again, you can add variety to your content by including amusing videos, interesting animal facts, and incorporating stock footage into a voiceover. You can start a cash cow YouTube channel about various animals such as pets or wild animals. You can even begin with specific animals such as cats and dogs. Animalize is an example channel with videos about these two pets. This channel was founded on October 24, 2016 and now has over 500,000 subscribers. They make videos that educate people about facts about dogs and cats. This channel has a video titled Why Dogs Get Stuck After Mating, Reading Explanation. This video was posted 3 years ago and had nearly 7 million views. This channel has received approximately 2,400,000 views in the last 30 days. Using the historical average CPM of $5 to $12, we estimated that this channel earned between $12,000 and $28,800. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. Making worthwhile content on YouTube is a challenging endeavor that requires a careful balance of 3 critical attributes: money, skill, and effort. Without a sufficient amount of each of these, your chances of success are slim to none. However, the good news is that there is hope. By understanding how these attributes work together and leveraging them effectively, you can create compelling content that resonates with your audience and grows your channel. Whether you have a lot of money, a wealth of skills, or an abundance of effort, there is a path to success on YouTube. And if you're lacking in any of these areas, don't worry. I have some valuable insights that can help you overcome these challenges and achieve your goals. So keep watching and let's explore how you can take your YouTube channel to the next level. The next niche on the list is Number 7, military. This is one of the most rapidly growing niches where you can still easily produce high-quality videos. The military niche consists primarily of videos about the military, particularly new and emerging technology. Other videos about military news are available. This can include information about new military weaponry, vehicles, and other topics. Numerous other ideas about the military can be discussed that I have not addressed. We believe that because the military niche is less popular than the other niches, it could be a great niche for creating videos because there is little competition. When starting a channel like this, we recommend aiming for 30 videos first and seeing what your audience likes. Then you can niche down further based on your feedback. Military T is an example channel that makes videos in this niche. This channel was founded on June 3, 2016 and now has nearly 600,000 subscribers. All they do is make videos in which they inform people about the various available military gadgets. What can a Black Hornet drone do? Is an example video on this channel. This is a video about a military drone. It was posted a year ago and has received over 6,200,000 views. This demonstrates that videos in this niche are doing extremely well. So how much money is earned by this channel? This channel received 3,672,000 views in the last 30 days, and Social Blade estimates that they earn between $918 and $14,700. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. The next niche on the list is number 6, strange things caught on camera. With a CPM of $1.40 to $2.15, this is one of the simplest, most viral, and most competitive niches to launch your first cash cow YouTube channel. MATLAB is an example channel in this niche. This channel debuted on September 16, 2015 with 4 million subscribers. They only post videos of failures or strange things caught on camera. This channel's example video is titled Animals Reunited with Their Owners After Years. This video was uploaded over a year ago and had over 37 million views, which is insane. We estimated they made between $51,800 and $37,550 from this video alone, with a CPM of between $1.40 and $2.15. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. When you watch this video, you will notice that no one is showing their face or speaking. All we see are various clips recorded with a phone camera and a voiceover attempting to explain what is happening in the clips. It is very simple to make videos like this. All you have to do is search for videos online, merge them using a video editing tool, and add a voiceover on top, and you are ready to upload and start making money. I would recommend using a human voiceover for a niche like this, as YouTube is cracking down on low-effort videos. I leave with that, you might want to think of something more creative to increase the video's production value. How much money could this channel make every month? According to Social Blade's statistics, their channel has received nearly 20 million views in the last 30 days. They could have made between $28,000 and $43,000 based on the historical average CPM niche of $1.40 to $2.15. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. The next niche on our list is number 5, airplanes. This is one of the most underappreciated niches. You can easily launch your first channel in this niche and make videos about anything related to planes. You can make a video about different types of planes, different plane crashes, documentaries, reviews, and so on. An example channel in the plane niche is called Lucas. This channel was launched on November 9, 2015 and now has nearly 1.5 million subscribers. They make a variety of videos about airplanes, and they receive a lot of views. A 380 runway overrun emergency landing, X-Plane 11, is an example video uploaded to this channel. This video was posted 3 years ago and has received over 86 million views. You can replicate this channel and start talking about the top 10 things about airplanes. So how much money does this channel make? According to Social Blade stats, within the last 30 days, this channel received 6,200,000 views, and they estimate that they earn between $1,600 and $25,100. We are still determining their average CPM, so this channel could make even more. Social Blade estimated these earnings using a CPM of between 25 cents and $4, and the CPM of the airplanes niche could be higher. The next niche on the list is number 4, documentaries. This is another niche that can help you quickly become popular. James Johnny is an example of a channel in this niche. This channel was founded on December 5, 2019 and now has nearly 1,600,000 subscribers. They only uploaded around 20 videos which have received millions of views. 90% of the videos on this channel have no faces in them. This channel makes use of YouTube's automation services. They produce documentaries on various topics like stocks, churches, and more. You can start and replicate a cash cow channel in this niche. So how much money does this channel earn? According to Social Blade statistics, they received approximately 900,000 views in the last 30 days and are estimated to have earned between $211 and $3,400. You may be wondering why these views are so low when most, if not all, of their videos have millions of views. Because this channel does not upload frequently, these views estimated within the last 30 days are from videos uploaded long ago. This demonstrates that this is an evergreen channel. The next niche on the list is number 3, aliens. Aliens are always involved in contentious issues. Even though so many researchers are working on aliens, people still enjoy hearing about them. When you go to YouTube and type in alien, you'll notice a variety of creators producing content on the subject. If you want to get into this niche, you can eventually make videos or documentaries about their histories. We also notice that many celebrities have different perspectives on aliens. Elon Musk, the world's richest person, also tells many stories about aliens. You can base your videos on such topics. The next niche on the list is number 2, economics. On YouTube, some of the most paying niches are the one that mostly talks about money, and economics being among those niches is great. You can start a fully automated cash cow channel about different countries' economies. Economics Explained is an example channel in this niche. This channel was launched on September 9, 2012 and now has over 2 million subscribers. All they do is create the best economics content, and as you can see, every video on this channel has massive views. One of their most popular videos is MIT has predicted that society will collapse in 2040. This video was posted a year ago and has received over 11 million views. This demonstrates how well their videos are performing. Although this type of content requires hours and days of research, a good cash cow manager will handle everything for you. You can spend $60 to $100 on a single video to get the best results for your cash cow channel. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel has received 8,500,000 views in the last 30 days and is expected to earn between $2,100 and $33,800. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the owner channel. The next niche on the list is number 1, book summary. Book summaries, like movie summaries, are huge on YouTube and serve a similar purpose. Only a few people enjoy or have time for reading. As a result, these channels allow people to find out about a book they've always wanted to read. Cash cow book summary channels can make artwork to go along with the video. This includes creating visuals the audience can see while listening to the book's synopsis. You don't want just to put the book image and continue talking. Your audience will become bored. Furthermore, it will look more like a podcast than a YouTube channel. Make their images that correspond to the script you're talking about. It gives it a new lease on life. Like movies, you should limit your book genres. There are a lot of them, and you should talk about them with others. Your audience should recognize you as a specialist in fiction, nonfiction, drama, and so on. Escaping Ordinary BC Marks is an example channel in this niche. This channel debuted on January 12, 2018, with 631,000 subscribers. One of their most popular videos is titled How to Become 37.87 Times Better at Anything. It was posted a year ago and had 13 million views. You will only see images that describe what the voiceover artist is saying when you play the video. Nobody is showing their face. So how much revenue does this channel generate? From my own experience, this niche has an average CPM of $5 to $6. In the last 30 days, they received 2,612,000 views, resulting in earnings ranging from $13,060 to $15,672. YouTube deducts 45% of this amount, leaving the remainder to the channel owner. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Which of the mentioned niches was your favorite, and why? Comment down below and let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the 10 new viral cash cow YouTube channel ideas 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the best AI video generator you've never heard of. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the best AI video generator you've never heard of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.